So you will need 2 pounds of ground beef to ground, a pack of burrito style flour tortillas, and you will cut them in half like so. This makes a total of 20 tacos. Now you'll take the tortilla, fold one edge towards the middle and the other end towards the other edge, creating a cone. Now you'll take some baking powder, just a spoonful, and add a little bit of water to create a paste to act as glue and hold the tortilla shut. You'll put it along the edges, fold it towards the middle, and then do the other edge and close them shut. And just give it a good press down for a firm hold. Using 1 inch of vegetable oil. Now that the meat is done, I'm going to add 1 packet of taco seasoning after I drained my meat. Then this is about 5 ounces of softened cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of salsa, and 1 cup of Mexican shredded cheese, or any kind of cheese you'd like. And just mix that well through. Now you're going to take a tortilla and just start to fill them. Just a couple scoops. And this one I did too much, so I just scraped it off the top. And then you're going to use your paste and close the edges shut. And firmly hold them down so that they'll stay shut. Some of them may open up, but most of all, they stay shut. And just add them to your group for 6 minutes total, doing 3 minutes per side, or until your browning preferences, either dark or light. If you want it darker, leave them longer.